Hello everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Gemini Jets Northwest Orient Lockheed L-188A Electra. This model is produced by Gemini Jets in 2023, with the aircraft sporting the 1950s era red, white, and blue livery of Northwest Orient. The aircraft was powered by 4 Allison 501 turboprop engines producing up to about 3,700 shaft horsepower or 2,800 kilowatts each. Each aircraft can hold up to a maximum of 98 passengers in a single-class configuration. This aircraft has a cruise speed of 324 knots or 600 kilometers an hour, with a range of 1,900 nautical miles or 3,500 kilometers. This L-188A was originally delivered to Northwest Airlines in October of 1959. The aircraft initially sported the 1950s era red, white, and blue livery that Northwest Orient was known for in that era, with the registration, as seen on the model, of November 128 US. Starting in 1971, when the aircraft left the Northwest Orient fleet, the aircraft rapidly changed hands between different leasing companies. The only airline that it flew for in this era between 1972 and 1973 was a brief stint with Air Holiday, in which the aircraft maintained its original livery, but with new titles. 1974 saw a brief transfer to Air Florida with a new registration of November 25 AF and a new livery, but this only lasted till the beginning of 1975. By 1978, the aircraft had moved north and been modified with a glass dome on top of the fuselage near the cockpit. This was to allow the new operator, Nordair, to track icebergs for the Canadian government. The registration was now C-GNDZ, and the aircraft had a mostly blue and white livery with a red stripe down the side of the forward fuselage. With the multiple mergers between Canadian Airlines in the 1970s and 1980s, this would eventually place the airplane under the ownership of Canadian Airlines. This aircraft would primarily continue tracking icebergs for the Canadian government under contract, even when it was under the ownership or being leased by other companies during its stay in Canada, which lasted from 1978 to 1992. The final owner of this aircraft would be a company called New Air Charter Service in Uganda. Unfortunately, we have no photographs of the plane during this period, and the aircraft was damaged beyond repair later in 1992, ending a 33-year-long career. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you have liked what you have seen, there are more videos available at the links you can see here, pointed out by my merry elephant friend, as well as a link to my channel. Thank you, and goodbye.